Hi everybody, this is Kiko Just Learning Corner, and today we are learning about capitalizations and punctuations. Capital letters. Always use a capital letter for the first word of a sentence. Thank you for the letter. The first word in a quotation. She said, "Today is beautiful." Excuse me. The greeting and closing in a letter. Dear John. Sincerely, Sherry. The names of days, months, and holidays. Thursday, November, Thanksgiving. People's first and last names, their initials, and their titles. Miss Smith and Phil were seen by Dr. Lee. The word that means yourself, I. My friend and I love horses. The names of streets, cities, and states. Palm Avenue, Mesa, Arizona. The names of the name of buildings and monuments. Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building. The title of stories, movies, TV shows, video games, etc. Night at the Museum, Star Wars. Sorry about that. Quotation marks. Use quotation marks before and after words that are spoken by someone. You see them? I love to read chapter books, said Sharon, around words that are being discussed or emphasized. A man-made lake is called a reservoir. Newspaper articles, titles of poems, songs, short stories, etc. Hot and Cold by Katy Perry. And punctuations. Use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Period. When you end a statement, I like cookies. Question mark. When you ask a question, do you like cookies? Exclamation point when you have an excited or emotionally charged statement. I absolutely love cookies. And remember, you can write these down in a notebook so you can have them to study. Just pause the video. Commas. Always use a comma to separate a city and a state. Miami, Florida. Mesa, Arizona. A date from the year, December 25th, 2009, April 15th, 2010. The greetings and closing of a letter. Dear Jane, sincerely. Two adjectives that tell about the same noun. Sean is a clever, smart boy. Use a comma to show a pause between three or more items in a series. Jim liked pizza, spaghetti, and lasagna. Between the words spoken by someone and the rest of the sentence. I know, answered Mary. After a short introductory phrase. After all that candy, nobody was hungry for cake. Apostrophes. Add an apostrophe. When there is one owner, add an apostrophe first and then add an S. The cat's dish is empty. When there is more than one owner, add an S first and then an apostrophe. All of the cat's dishes were empty. When you put two words together to make a contraction, excuse me. Now he's on the table. Colons. Add a colon after the situation of a business letter. Dear Miss Matthews. Between numerals indicated time. Meet me at the park at 12:35. To introduce a list, please bring the following items to class: pencil, paper, eraser, and folder. Read the sentences. Notice where the capitalizations and punctuations are. They are colored red. That little mouse eats cheese. My dad is fixing the car. Did you see the movie? I got a new bike for my birthday. Julie will help bake cookies. What is your name? Do kangaroos live in Australia? Would you like an apple, banana, or an orange? Ouch! That hurt me. Wow! You did a great job. It is very windy in Chicago. My mom said, treat others the way you want to be treated. Dear Miss Lindsay, I wanted to know if could I bring some snacks like soda, cookies, chips, and cupcakes to class for my birthday tomorrow at 12 p.m.? Sincerely, Josie. He's going to go to church. I guess she's leaving now. Wow! That cat, sorry. Wow, the cats are crazy.